How to create a personal budget in Excel. This is an example we'll manage on income and expense template in Excel. Step 1. Create and style the title. Adjusting the layout to begin, click and drag the column headers to adjust their width. Then, select the first and second rows and resize them to create a spacious header area. Next, hold select cells and merge. Apply a fill color to the cell. Type personal budget into the main title cell to make it stand out. Format the text, align it to the center, and change the font color for better readability. The title font I use Arial Black. And font color I choose brown. And font size I set 30. Step 2. Set up the revenue section. In the first section, label the header as revenue. Directly below that, add a row for income. Create headers for the 12 months starting from January and ending with December. List your specific income criteria in the rows below. Apply a fill color to the header row to distinguish it from the data. Insert income from January to December. For this revenue, I copy and paste on cell. Next, type year and sparkline in cell. Select column and resize spacious. Next, adjust the expense balance. In cell, I type expense word. And next, display months starting January to December. Add fill color on cell. And list the expense types. And enter the expense amount of month. After, enter year and sparkline next column. After, list with the second expense. First, add the title. Next, add the 12 months. And list the expense types on cells. Enter the expense amount. And show the same with year and sparkline. Next, fill color and add the total below the list expense. Click on this row and right-click Choose Insert. Enter total. After format to bold text. Next, totals net profit. I click on this cell and type totals. And this below of cell, I enter total expense. And next is net profit. At the totals row, I display 12 months. And this cell shows total of year. After adds the fill color on cells. Next, how can we calculate and show the total expenses and net profit? Okay, scroll up and must plus all the income of 12 months. Press equals on cell and use Sumif Function. Select all of the income and close parentheses and enter. Hold and left-click down. Next, calculate monthly of income. Press equals and Sumif Function. Hold select on cells and close parentheses and enter. If you want to show other cell with result, hold clicks on this point and pull to the right. Okay, the totals income is complete. Calculating yearly expenses. Select the cell where you want the yearly total to appear. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the AutoSum button and select Sum. The formula will automatically select the range of cells. Press Enter to confirm. Click the corner of that cell and drag it down to apply the formula to the other rows. Calculating monthly totals. Select the cell at the bottom of your first monthly column. Click AutoSum to generate the total for that month. Once the result appears, click and hold the bottom right corner of the cell, then drag it to the right. This will calculate the totals for all 12 months automatically. Highlight your data and set the font size to 9. Second expense category. Repeat the process by selecting the cell and using AutoSum to total the next section. Using the SUM function, you can also manually type the sum function. Whether you use the AutoSum button or type the function yourself, the result is the same. It adds up the values in the selected cells. Next displays the spark line. Select the cell where you want the spark line to appear. Go to the Insert tab on the top menu. In the Spark Lines group, click on the Line tool. A small dialog box will appear. Click inside the data range box. While the box is active, click and drag across the cells containing your income data to select them. Click OK. The line trend will now be displayed inside the single cell, representing the fluctuations in your amounts. Next, totals expense and net profit. First, click on Cell and press Equals. Next, click Total Monthly Expense of Jan, plus with the second total expense. And press Enter to confirm. Hold clicks on the corner point and drag it to the right. I can check this result the number calculate automatically. Next, calculate the net profit. For this result, first click on Cell and press Equals. Click on Total Income for Jan and minus with total expense. And press Enter Confirm. Once the result appears, click and hold the bottom right corner of the cell, then drag it to the right. And the last point that I want to know my profit in a year. I need to sum the total all expense. Click on the corner point and drag it down. Okay, this is my expense and net profit in a year. Next, create chart. First, select expense and net profit cells. After, click on Insert tab and click Group Chart. Choose the simple chart. After, I add the amount on chart. Next, I click on the title and remove. Double-click on chart. In Fill Color, choose No Line. Move the chart to the top row and resize or change Fill Color. And I can format the text whatever that I want. If I need to remove the border chart, double-click on Chart and choose No Line. Next, I need to show the monthly chart. First, hold selects the cell's expense and profit and click on Insert tab and choose the chart style. Next, click on the title and delete. After, move chart to the top and resize. Double-click on chart in Fill, choose No Fill. Now, how to create the personal budget template is done. Thank you for lovely sharing.